I welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, and let me answer one very relevant query from majority of the students that sir, should we try to get into PhD course in India or should we go abroad? How to make this decision? Let me tell you, I always believe that you should explore more things so that your experience is more. Your exploration should be high, good. From that perspective, I think doing PhD from abroad is always better because you get more exposure, you get more information and knowledge. So that way, doing PhD from abroad is always good. But there are some positive and negatives of both. One thing I say, PhD can be done after BTech also and MTech also. In India also, abroad also. Even if you're BTech and your academic background is good, like your BTech CGPA is good, research proposal is good, and you approach professor and with good research work and he likes your research work, and then you can go join PhD under him. It takes 4 to 5 years after BTech, and after MTech it takes 3 to 4 years. In India also, abroad also. Now, as far as the scholarship is concerned, in India, may you get somewhere around 30,000, and abroad, may depending upon the country. If I talk about USA, you get somewhere around 1,500 to 2,500 k range. Mein. So, average 1,800 $2,000, in which you can save in Indian currency more than 50,000. So, saving is more if you go abroad for PhD. Exposure is also good, and you meet with different people. So that way it is better. So if I target PhD in IITs or India in ISCs or all, how much money I am to spend from my pocket? You are not to spend any money from your pocket. Criteria is your BTech CGPA should be really good, and you should have GATE qualified with you, and research proposal should be there with you. And you are not to spend any money from your pocket. That's it. Abroad, if you want to go abroad for PhD, you want to go abroad for PhD, then how much money you have to spend? uh, on an average it is 4 to 5 lakh rupees you have to spend money from your pocket, because applying for different universities will cost you more, and at least 10 universities you should target, and visa application fee and then airfare, so that entire money boils down to, and first semester fee also you have to pay till you get your scholarship. So that boils down to somewhere around 4 to 5 lakh rupees, though within 6 months that money will come back to you. As I told you, PhD में scholarship is good, that money will come back to you, but you should have that money in your pocket. Now, if you're getting in India MS or PhD, MS or PhD, then you can choose MS, and you can keep PhD option for abroad. You can always think of doing it from abroad also. But if you're not getting opportunity and you're getting only PhD, direct PhD from IITs in India, it is also good. You spend your time, you invest more time, and you do really good work, and you get opportunities there. Another main query students have is, sir, what after PhD? What I'm going to get after PhD? See, that simply depends upon what you do during PhD. I know many of my students who have done very good PhD work, and they are working in industries at very high level, R&D, research development domain they are working. They are consultants now. So that thing is very good for them. So if you are doing very good work in PhD, you get a lot of good opportunities. If you don't do anything in PhD, obviously you will not get opportunities. So what are the opportunities for me, sir? Obviously academic research teaching is one of the option. Second is industries, consultant, you can open your own venture, entrepreneurship. So all these options are open with you after you do PhD. So do we need to worry, sir, if I do PhD nicely? No, you need not to worry. If you do it PhD from premium institute like IITs or top institutes of the world, you have nothing to worry after PhD, believe me on that. But only thing is you should be motivated enough and do it nicely. Only trouble is like BTech tak aate aate you are so exhaust, MTech BTech tak, okay, energy left is less for studies, and then you somewhere resist putting effort in that direction, and there is a reason you don't do quality work, and since you don't do quality work, results do not come. This is how the only trouble related to that. Otherwise PhD is a beautiful course. Let me tell you from my own experience, and doing PhD abroad is always giving you more exposure. You meet different people, personality transformation opportunities are more, and in terms of scholarship also you can save more money in terms of Indian currency. So that way I advise abroad. But yes, if you don't have money and you not have that particular thing, and for abroad you need to have GRE score with you, though it is a very simple exam. So these are the small differences between two. Make your decision properly and go for it. Now, you know, this Yourpedia as a platform provides you consultancy for all these exams. I mean, for going for abroad for PhD after MS, so Yourpedia provides you consultancy, writing your research proposals also, preparing for interviews also, and even GRE is a part of that. And similarly for India, if now winter admission is going on, Yourpedia will help you in writing your proposals, research proposal, and how to go for interviews. In India, there will be interviews also, technical interviews, which may not be there abroad, you know. So for India, how to prepare for PhD or MS courses, you know, research proposal and interviews. What about PhD abroad? Research proposal, LOR, letter of recommendation, statement of purposes, and obviously identification of the professors and GRE. So that is those part, and Yourpedia provides you help in all that. So if you seek any kind of such help, you can fill the Google form attached with this video and provide your details. Our executive will get back to you. And as I request in all my videos, only if you are genuinely interested in paid consultancy, then you please fill this form. Otherwise, you can contact our executives. Contacts number are provided on our channel. But if you're genuinely interested, then only you please fill these forms, because otherwise it will be wasting your time also and the time of our executives also. I hope you understand this. Prepare well and let's have really good career. Thank you.